In this video, we'll discuss connecting the Barnacle 5G system to additional systems on board the boat. Start by referencing the wiring reference card included with your Barnacle system. On the card, you will see inputs for batteries 1 through 4. Battery inputs 2, 3, and 4 can be used to monitor additional batteries on the boat, or they can be used to monitor bilge pumps, shore power connections, or other 12 or 24 volt systems. The shore power input is used with the Barnacle hardwired shore power accessory or with a laser or beam sensor security device. For bilge monitoring, you can connect directly to pin 8. Additional bilge monitoring can be done through the additional battery inputs. When connecting a bilge pump, use the manual line of the bilge pump and connect it to the green connector. If you are using a bilge pump with a separate float switch, connect to the float switch 12 or 24 volt output before it reaches the bilge pump, and connect that signal to pin 8. The wired inputs on the Barnacle can be connected to dry contact sensors that switch ground. These inputs can only accept switching ground signals. For example, wired door sensors can be connected to pins 4, 5, 6, or 7. If you would like to connect additional bilge pumps to these wired inputs 4, 5, 6, or 7, you will need to use a 12 volt or 24 volt DC relay, which can be purchased through Barnacle Systems, or you can provide your own. The DC relay will need to output a switching ground signal. The outputs on the Barnacle also operate by switching ground. For example, when connecting a wired siren, connect the ground wire of the siren or strobe light to the Barnacle output. The positive power connection of the siren or strobe light should be connected directly to a 12 volt or 24 volt power source. When the output is triggered on the Barnacle, it simply opens or closes the ground connection to activate the device. The output can provide a maximum of 1.5 amps of current at 12 volts.